These are the elevators here at JCPenney, Walden, Galleria, Cheektowaga, New York. Dover Impulse. Let's go to UL. There we go. Indicator's dead. Here UL. Oh, how close this works. Get cab view. Actually pretty nice for a JCPenney. Posse's 3,500 pounds. Here LL. Phone. Send this up to you all. Get the other one. Me. Try to close on me. There goes that one. And let's get the other one. There's the other one. Let's go to UL. Indicator is dead on this one too. Here we are at UL. Get cab view. Just a basic JCPenney elevators. Posse's 3,500 pounds. Here LL. Phone.